Okay. And what are the advantages of as a planner? It is simple to understand. Total earning of each workers can easily calculated, and this system not only to benefit efficient workers but also provide average workers to get guaranteed minimum wage. This system is based on time saved, and it is reduced the labor cost also. So disadvantages, the lack of coordinations and cooperations among themselves by employee, and under this system, establishment of standard is very difficult because within time, if they are fixing within 2 hours, we need to complete means it's taking too much time. We can't complete within the time also. It will be difficult for the employers fixing of the minimum time completing of the jobs, and earning are reduced at high level of efficiency. So now here, this is the formula to computation of Alsay plan. Total earning is equals to T into R plus percentage into S minus T into R. And let me see the problem. The time allowed for a certain job is 9 hours, and the workers X completes it in 7 hours. The time rate is 100. Calculate total wage of X under Alsay planner. The rate of incentive is 50%. See, in this problem, they are given a percentage also, very easy to calculate. And first you need to take the formula. Time saved is equals to standard time allowed minus time taken, and total wages is equals to T into R plus 50% into S minus T into R. So let us calculate. Time taken is equals to R. R is equals to hourly rate. S is equals to standard time. So now, what is our formula? T into R plus 50 into S minus T into R. So now T time taken how much? How many hours they taken? 7 hours. See here. The 7 hours the completes in within 7 hours into 100. That means the rate how much is there? Time rate is 100 rupees. 7 into 100 plus 50 as per the formula. 50 into 9. 9 means that is, see, certain jobs 9 hours. See, time allowed how much is there? 9 hours. Time allowed 9 hours minus 7 into 100. The 100 is called a rate 100. So after that, 7 into 100, 700 plus as this will take 50%. That means 50 by 100. And 7 into 100, 700 plus 50% of 200. That means here 9 minus 7 is equals to, will get 2. 2 into 100, 200. 700, 700 as this will take 200 into 50%, 100. Then total wage of X is equals to how much? 800. Same way, we are calculating for the different problems also. So this is the first one more is there. Okay, the one more problem I will solve. And here calculate earning of workers under Rohan plan from the following particulars. Standard time for producing 1 dozen of units 3 hours. Actual time taken by workers to produce 20 dozens 48 hours. Hourly rate of wages guaranteed ₹5 per hour. So here standard time allowed for producing 1 dozen of articles is 3 hours. 3 hours, and therefore standard time for producing 20 dozens will be 20 into 3 hours is equals to 60 hours. So total wage is equals to T into R, time taken, rate of interest, plus S minus T divided by S into T into R. 48 that is time taken into 5 rate that is per hour rate plus 60 minus 48 divided by 60 into 48 into 5. Then you will get 240 and 12 by 60 into 240 here plus you need to take sorry here we will take plus and 240 as it is you will take then 12 by 60 into 240 will get 48 total 288. So this is the method to calculating the Alsay plan. And let me see Rohan plan. A worker's taken 9 hours to complete a job on a daily wages, and 6 hours on a scheme of payment by result. His daily rate is 0.75 paisa an hour. The material cost of product is ₹4 and overhead are as far recorded at 150% of the total direct wages, and calculate the factory cost of the product under piece rate system, Rohan plan and Alsay plan. This is the question they will ask in the examination. Very important. Here, a calculation of direct labor cost, piece rate system is equals to 6 hours at 75 paisa, this is 0.75 paisa per hour. That means 6 into 0.5 will get rupees 4.50. And Alsay plan, the formula for Alsay plan, T into R plus 50% into S minus T into R. That means total taken, time taken how much? 4.50 plus 50% into 9 minus 6 into 0.75. Then we'll get 4.50 plus after deduction 9 minus 6 you will get 3. Then 3 into 0.75, then you will get 2.25. Then 2.25 into 50% will get 1.13. Then after multiplying with 4.50 into 1.13, then we'll get the total wages is 5.63. Under Rohan plan, the formula is T into R plus S minus T by S into T into R. Here, time taken is how much? 6 into 0.75 plus 9 minus 6 divided by 9 into 6 into 0.75. Then after simplification, we will get the total wages is rupees 6. Then after that, the simplified factory cost under the plan, materials 4 and direct wages 4.50. Then we'll get a prime cost, the same like cost sheet only. Factory overhead at 150% of direct labor, the 1.5. Sorry for interruption. 6.75 will get. Then apply for Alsay and Rohan plan also. And 4 as it is, we will take direct labor 5.62. Then 4 plus 6, then will 10. 9.60. The same thing will follow 150% of direct labor. The total factory cost will be 15.25, 18.05 and 19%. These questions they will ask in the examination. Please carefully handle this question. And one more question is there, the standard of output. Just refer it yourself and solve yourself. And this is the solution. If any doubt is there, you can call me and you can clarify the doubts. First, you need to calculate standard time, and next one calculation of wages under Alsay plan. The formula is very important here. If you are thorough the formula, aram se you can solve the problems. Otherwise, it's very difficult to solve the problem. Then you will get the Mr. X is 14, and for Mr. There are 2 workers are there in this problem. First one, Mr. Yum and Mr. K also. apply the formulas and you will get 100% result. Then go per Rowan plan. Mr. B is there. This is the ALSA plan, and Rowan plan. Mr. M is there. See, in the Rowan plan, total wages will take formula T into R plus S minus T divided by S into P into R. Then the result will be rupees 15. You will get the total wages, and same Mr. K also. The total wages will be 18%, and finally two workers wages we need to calculate, and Rohan as well as a plan in this problem only. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. ಸಾಕಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ನೆಟ್ ಹಿಡಿತದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬೋರ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಕನಿಷ್ಠ 1-2 ಅವರ್ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. ಅಷ್ಟು ನಿಧಾನ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀನು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.